All right, coming at you with another home tour today. We are in the Ridgeview neighborhood, kind of Midtown area, so very close to downtown. All of the fun things like the Gathering Place, the Philbrook Museum, let's see, Kane's Ballroom, all that kind of stuff. Nightlife, shopping, Utica Park's not too far away. So great location. You get the single car garage. This is a 3-bedroom, 1 bath. Wait till you see the inside. It is quite the stunning remodel. You have a great front porch here. And then we will head over. Well, first I'll show you here. You got nice flower beds here, and then I'll show you a little bit of the neighborhood. The neighborhood's got some construction going on, so that's their truck, but really peaceful, really quiet. You can hear like a little bit of the highway, but if you don't focus on it too much, kind of just sounds like the ocean. So let's head on inside here. If you want to live in downtown, road noise is probably not something you care about anyway. But look at this remodel. Oh my gosh. Obviously the dark stained wood floors, really stunning. I love the natural light there as well. Now this home's currently offered, I think they're at 200, let me check. 229,000, which actually looking at comps is a steal for this house because a lot of the other ones aren't even remodeled and this one's cheaper than those. So pretty great. I didn't show you the front entryway here. Really gorgeous front door, and then you do have a little coat closet here. But love this living room. We'll check out the kitchen first. Great dining area. Love that matte black light fixture. Again, more natural light. Moving through this way. Check out those cabinets. Love the butcher block as well. Gas range, which that's a new stove. You got a dishwasher. I love the window behind the sink as well, so you can watch whatever's happening in the backyard while you're doing the dishes. Probably going to be kids, but you know, if you're a single person living here, maybe you're having outdoor parties, whatever. We'll go check out the garage here, and then I'll show you the backyard. I kind of think this would be great for a single person, but there is 3 bedrooms, so obviously if you had kids, it would work for that too. But garage space, storage space, and then I'll show you the backyard here. Oops. Helps if you unlock the door. So, maybe a little noisy. You can see the neighbors getting some work done over there, but huge, huge yard. Oh my goodness. Mature trees, really shaded, which is great. So you don't have to worry about, you know, the blistering sun just totally ruining your backyard party. Full brick house with a little bit of siding. No complaints. I think it's great. It's kind of a clean slate, so if you want to put some landscaping in, go for it. There's no grass, and that's due to the shade, so you're going to have to plant like, it's not fescue, it's called, there's a term for it. But, make sure I lock this door. We'll head back through and check out those bedrooms. Oh, you also have a new water heater too, which is great. On my way across the house here, if you're new here, my name is Henze. I run the Top Hat Connections real estate team, serving Tulsa and the surrounding communities. So if you're interested in moving to Tulsa, I would love to help you make that smooth transition. But if you like home tours like this, as well as local content, don't forget to like and subscribe. With that though, on my way over here to the bedrooms, let me show you some of the upgrades. So these are all of the things you're going to find new. We've got new exterior door, new front door, roof, garage door with the Wi-Fi camera. I mean, new. So, is it a brand new home? No, but it's like a brand new home. So, keep that in mind. Older homes are better anyway. They're just built better. So here is that bathroom. Absolutely gorgeous. I actually really like the kind of, they look gray, but I think those little dots are actually kind of a really light blue, but I think it looks great with the back tiles there in the shower. No complaints. And then this is your furnace. Here's one of the bedrooms. Let me go over here and show you. Nice blank slate. You can see that those black Wood floors are continued throughout. Over here, you have got linen closet, more linen closet, and then one of the other bedrooms. And of course, it has a closet as well. And then back over here would be the primary. And this one is pretty good size. I'd say it's probably like a third to half, almost double the size of the other bedroom. So really good size here, and of course has its own closet as well. So let me know what you think about this house. I think for the price and the location, it is a steal. Me personally, I think it's weird to only have one bedroom when you have 3 bathrooms, but I do understand that that is the area you're buying in. If you're living in the Midtown, more downtown area, a lot of the homes, even the luxury homes, will only have 1 bathroom. So it's just kind of the area that you're buying in. It's part of this area of town. But again, though, the pricing based on the other homes in the area, this one is a steal. So as always, I'll put a link in the description to all of the photos. Like I said, let me know in the comments what you think, and I will see you in the next one.